Stop. If you are studying right now by rereading your notes, highlighting textbooks, or looking at slides, you are losing your time. Every hour you spend reviewing is an hour you'll never get back because your brain is designed to forget.
It's a scientific fact. Within 24 hours, you'll forget 80% of what you just read. That's why you feel like you're working hard but still failing to remember the details when the pressure's on.
I know this because I've been there. Look at this. This was my Anki heat map during the year I prepared for my residency entrance exam. Every green square is a day I didn't let my brain forget. Because of this consistency, I crushed that exam. I won the rank I wanted, and today I am an anesthesia resident.
I didn't get here by being smarter or working more hours than everyone else. I got here by being an Anki-neer. I used a system that guaranteed I would remember everything I learned on day one all the way to exam day.
It's called Anki. It's a tool built on active recall and spaced repetition. It doesn't ask you to read, it forces you to retrieve. It's the difference between looking at a map and actually driving the car.
It's free, it's powerful, and it's the only way to stop the forgetting curve. Let me show you how fast this works. You don't need to be a coder. You just download the app, import a high-yield deck, and use a professional template. In seconds, you have a world-class study system ready to go. This is where the magic happens. Active recall. You see a question, your brain searches for the answer, and you flip. If you know it, you press pass, and Anki hides it until you're about to forget it. If not, you press no and see it again immediately.
Every time you press that button, you are building a permanent memory. You aren't just reading, you are training. This is how you master residency while others are still drowning in notes.
But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Because Anki can be complex, I am launching the Anki-neer Masterclass, a full, long-term playlist to help you master every setting, add-on, and strategy I use to win. I am building this channel to help you save your time and reach your dream specialty. Subscribe, support the project, and let's stop wasting time. Let's become Anki-neers. Stop studying like it's the 1900s. I'll see you in the first lesson of the Masterclass.